So welcome back to Sailing with Faith. As you can see, got a little bit of rough weather in the marina today, and it's kind of difficult working on the boat in conditions like this, but we'll figure it out. So you remember the Guzzler pump in the previous episode? I made the supports, drilled and tapped them, faced them off. Okay, so here's the original access hole for the pump actuator, which is this one here. As you can see, what needs to happen is this needs to be into the center of here in order to get the full movement of the arm. So what I got to do is measure the distance from here across to here, and then here across to here. When I've got that, I find the center point of this and I replicate the distance here and across from my first point. And I'll repeat the process for the second point, third and fourth, which can maybe be close to these holes, I'm not sure. No, they're going to be further out because these were the original. I've got the black map here now to give it extra strength. So that's the plan. So I'll actually measure the distance from here to here, which will be center point to this area, and then center point over to here, and then it's good. I've got a little bit of leeway because of the flexibility built in. So if I'm not within 10 thousandths of an inch, it's still going to be okay. I've probably got like a millimeter, which is 40 thou, or 80 thou of accuracy that I need to maintain. So I'm going to get on and do that, start measuring and drilling holes. Okay, excuse the noise, it's gusting 24 right now, so trying to do all this work like this, it's not easy. But as you can see, we've got the holes drilled and countersunk, so it's nice and flush with the surface. The bilge pump is fitted, like there, the hose is on. What I'm going to do is take some 5200 and just smear it over the surface. I didn't put sealant inside because it makes it difficult to get out. As long as I put sealant around the outside of the screws underneath the countersunk, it will be watertight. And there we go. Job done. So it's kind of rough doing those jobs in weather like this, but it doesn't happen very often. The winds were coming from the south-southwest at 25, 26 knots, and so that's what we have to put up with. But down below, you see some of the work that's been done, and getting ready for the winter. I have got a little heater, which I'm going to put it on low and set it for about 30 degrees, 35 degrees, so it will never freeze. There's my little munchkin. End of a good day. And we had the Coast Guard out because of the high winds. Doing a good job. thank you for joining us. Really appreciate you coming to see the videos. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube videos to be alerted of when we're going to get the next ones published.